Hello everyone, are you ready for Christmas? I am, and I'm so inspired when winter arrives to paint a winter landscape. So this time I thought I'll kill two birds with one stone. So I painted two lovely winter landscapes. That's one of them, and that's the other one. And they're so very simple, only three colours, and honestly they only take a few minutes each, half an hour at the most. But I've turned mine into Christmas cards, and I thought this might be something you were interested in. So I've had mine printed. Here's an example of both of them. And people, if you paint a really nice card, people often frame them. I know they do with mine. And I thought I'd go a little bit more in depth with the Christmas card, not just a couple of balls or something like that you see everywhere, or a triangular Christmas tree. You know, these are proper paintings but done in a very simple way, and I'm sure you'd love to paint along with me because you can't help but like it. So click on the link below and it will take you straight over to my Vimeo channel where you can watch a free introduction.